Doobie doobie doo. Hey guys. How was your weekend going? Guys, I have a bull. I let a bull into my home. It's the Vaco bull driver, which we're gonna restore today. A semi-collecta bull screwdriver from the 60s. Bull drivers featured oversized extra grippaBULL handles. They were billed as a man-sized driver for a man-sized job. This particular example is still use-a-bull as is, but the handle is in very deplorable shape. It looks like someone grabbed it here with some channel locks at some point, but I think I can save this. It's still very restoraBULL. Since these are kinda rare, we're gonna do a more traditional restoration today, so if you have a junk screwdriver that you want to save, you can follow along at home. But what are the oranges for? Well, for the initial cleaning, I'm gonna try using this orange goop. grippaBULL? We're gonna be sanding those scratches out in the next step, so I want to make sure the surface is clean first. Acetate plastic is very sandpaper, and first we want to remove those deep scratches. Usually I'm able to start with 400 grit and then work my way up to at least 2000 grit, or maybe even higher. However, this driver has some pretty deep bite marks in it, and as you can see it's not possible to remove them with 400 grit, so we'll go down to a more formidable 120 grit. Yeah, suffer, scratches, suffer. But the 120 grit is starting to scratch off the lettering. The bull driver lettering was barely legible before, so I think we're going to lose that, but the Vaco lettering might be savable. I'm going to try tracing over the letters with a scribe to kind of in-deepen it. We'll see how much of that is still visible by the time we're done. To sand the area that got gnawed on by the channel locks, I found a pipe that's roughly the same shape as the curve here, wrapped some sandpaper around it, and just went to town. Here's what it looks like after our initial sanding. You want to make sure you get all the deep scratches out during this first step, or you'll have trouble getting them out later on with the smoother grits. Here for the 400 grit, I'm going to wet sand. The water helps to keep the sandpaper from clogging up. And we're going to turn those 120 grit scratches from the first step into smaller, less noticeable 400 grit scratches. Don't be in a hurry. Sand the entire surface thoroughly with each grit. When you're done, the sandpaper should look totally felted. And each time we sand with a smoother grit, the scratches from the previous step will become less visible and at least 4 times smaller in size. We're effectively quartering them with each grit progression. This is easy work, but it's tedious. Take a break in the middle if it starts to get unbearable. I actually gotta go take a pee, so I'm gonna take a break here. Oh man, I don't want to walk all the way upstairs to the bathroom. Yet I'll just piss on the floor here. No one will ever know. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's finish this up. Eventually you'll get to a light frosty haze. This is after working up to 2500 grit sandpaper. Remember what I said about getting all the scratches out in the first step? I think it still looks presentable, but we need to go one step further and polish it. Before we do that, we got this chewed up electrical tape on the shaft. I thought about just removing that, just leaving it bareback, but I think it's justifiable to pay homage to the original client of this bull, and we'll wrap it back up. Thankfully this Phillips tip isn't that boogered up, it's still serviceable, so I'll just hit the edges lightly with a file to remove the chips that were in it. Yeah, I'm comfortable with this. Now we can start polishing. I usually use either Flitz, which is a metal polish, but is use-a-bull on plastics too, or Meguiar's Plast-X, which is designed for plastics. We'll go with the Plast-X here, but either one is acceptable. I like to polish by hand, You can try your luck at the buffing wheel, but even at low RPMs, it can generate enough heat to melt the plastic. So I think it's preferABULL to polish by hand. And let's see how it came out. Whoa, buddy. Yeah, that came out pretty nice. Look at that shine. Unrecognizable from what it looked like before. Yeah, there are a few scratches that I wasn't able to get out, but that adds fashionaBULL character. This is definitely the kind of bull that I would allow into my home. Check it out and let me know what you think. Be sure you're subscribed for more remarkaBULL tool restorations. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Whoa, buddy.